Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's the mega meltdown of the great American bromance. Yes, it's President Trump versus Elon Musk. 8 months back, Elon Musk posted, "Future's gonna be so lit up." Now, Trump says to Elon, "You're fired." So what's happening? In between, why did this dosti actually degenerate into a disgusting abomination? More importantly, why is the Desi anti-Modi brigade, which clings to every word that Trump utters, suddenly left with egg on their face? Tonight on the News Hour Spotlight, I will tell you how the war in Washington has deflated the Delhi narrative of Narendra surrendered. Joining me on the show tonight are Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP. Also joining me tonight is Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist, political commentator, and what else? Vaccine manufacturer.
Mediator between.
Mediator. Also joining me is Abhijit Iyer Mitra, senior fellow at the IPCS. To my right, I have Aam Aadmi Party former minister and national spokesperson Somnath Bharti. To his right, from the RJD, I am joined by Professor Anwar Pasha, national spokesperson of the RJD. Also joining me this evening, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, and I'm hoping he will allow the others to speak. And with him is Advocate Nikhil Jain, a Congress supporter who's seen many fights with us on several debates. So let's begin. First, let's tell you about the Hollywood heartbreak between the world's most powerful president and the world's richest man. Every post of Elon Musk was answered with a sharp retort by Trump, from Tesla, Dragon spaceship to the Epstein files. Bring out the popcorn, because you're about to witness and we're about to give you a recap of the billionaire battle that's on in Washington.
Disgusting abomination. Massive, outrageous, pork-filled congressional spending bill.
Elon and I had a great relationship. I don't know if we will anymore.
Without me, Trump would have lost the election. Dems would control the House and the Republicans would be 51, 49 in the Senate.
Elon was wearing thin. I asked him to leave. I took away his EV mandate that forced everyone to buy electric cars that nobody else wanted, and he just went crazy.
Such an obvious lie, so sad.
Easiest way to save money is to terminate Elon's governmental subsidies and contracts.
SpaceX will begin decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. Time to drop the really big bomb. Trump is in the Epstein files. That is the real reason they have not been made public.
I don't mind Elon turning against me, but he should have done so months ago.
Trump tariffs will cause a recession in the second half of this year.
After the bromance turned sour, the Tesla shares may be spiraling down in America, but politics in India is skyrocketing. After Trump's repeated assertions that I stopped the India-Pakistan war, the opposition was quick to trust the American president and question their own prime minister. Watch how President Trump made outlandish, unsubstantiated claims of brokering a ceasefire between India and Pakistan, a word that the Indian government has never used. Listen in.
We stopped India and Pakistan from fighting. I believe that could have turned out into a nuclear disaster. And we said, we can't trade with people that are potentially using nuclear weapons.
I said, fellas, come on, let's make a deal. Let's do some trading. It all stopped. Hopefully it'll remain that way.
Trump may have lost the trust of his most trusted general, but Rahul Gandhi fell for him. Lock, stock and barrel. Rahul Gandhi repeats the Narendra surrender jibe, while Akhilesh Yadav and the Trinamool Congress dragged in Operation Sindoor. Watch this slugfest.
ट्रंप साहब ने 11 बार बोला है, 11 बार, कि मैंने नरेंद्र मोदी को सरेंडर करवा दिया। नरेंद्र मोदी ये नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं कि ये जो ट्रंप है ये झूठ बोल रहा है, क्योंकि वो सच्चाई है।
क्योंकि उन्हें ये समझ में आ गया कि अपनी सिंध दूर करने के लिए एक नारा बनाया था उन्होंने।
যে কিভাবে সিঁদুর খেলা শুরু করেছে বিজেপি সরকার, গোটাটাই যুদ্ধ খেলা, গোটাটাই নাটক। পাকিস্তানের সঙ্গে ফিটিং করেছে যে এরা সিঁদুর খেলতে নেমেছে।
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आत्मनिर्भर भारत की ताकत दिखाई है। यहां के नौजवानों को सपने पूरा करने से कोई भी बाधा अगर रुकावट बनती है तो उस बाधा को पहले मोदी का सामना करना पड़ेगा।
While Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav sniped and scorned, watch how one of the staunchest critics of Prime Minister Modi, Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, today hailed Modi for fulfilling his childhood dream. Why? Watch what Omar Abdullah had to say and what made Modi smile and clap.
यहां तक कि कश्मीर को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ने का ख्वाब अंग्रेजों ने भी देखा था, लेकिन वो पूरा कर नहीं पाए। उनका ख्वाब था कि उड़ी झेलम के किनारे जो है वो रेल लाके कश्मीर को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ें, लेकिन आज जो अंग्रेज पूरा नहीं कर पाए वो आपके हाथों पूरा हुआ और जम्मू कश्मीर, कश्मीर की वादी को बाकी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ दिया गया।
So, Nikhil Jain, my question to you straight off the bat, जितना भरोसा आपने ट्रंप पे किया, you should have had on the Prime Minister of India rather than the President of United States of America. So far, he has fired about 12 people who he had selected in the first few days of his presidency, and now his closest friend and he are bearing each other's, complete laundry list of bad linen and dirty linen in public. But Rahul Gandhi, who depends so much on Trump, what is he going to do? And Omar Abdullah, friend of Rahul Gandhi, has said that Mr. Modi has done what the Britishers couldn't. And what are you left with? Trump ne bhi धोखा दे दिया, Omar Abdullah ne bhi.
So Navika, I'm sorry. Navika, when we talk about Elon Musk and Donald Trump's relationship going sour and how one romance has turned sour, we are not remembering another romance that has turned sour, which is Donald Trump और उनके बहुत अच्छे मित्र Narendra Modi. Let's not forget that our Prime Minister went to foreign soil, went to United States and campaigned for this very same Donald Trump. The very same Donald Trump who finds his mention in the Epstein files, according to Elon Musk. I'm not going to verify on that. The very same Donald Trump who's become a pain in the posterior for the entire world, including his own nation. Now, when Donald Trump announced the suspension of military operations between India and Pakistan, or ceasefire or cessation of fire, whatever you may want to call it, he did it before India did it, he did it before Pakistan did it. So now when he goes around the world chest thumping saying कि मैंने वॉर रुकवा दी, तो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जो रशिया यूक्रेन की वॉर रुकवा देते हैं, उन्हें आके कहना चाहिए फोन पर उन्हें आके कहना चाहिए कि ये डोनाल्ड ट्रंप कौन होते हैं वॉर रुकवाने वाले? वॉर रुकवाने का काम तो मेरे पास ही है, मैंने रुकवाई है. But what is the Prime Minister doing right now? He's choosing to stay silent. Of course, our bureaucrats, our military, our Foreign Affairs Minister, our Foreign Department, they're all saying that Donald Trump or the United States had no intervention in it, and it is entirely a bilateral thing between the DGM of India and the DGM of Pakistan. But why does our Prime Minister with a 56-inch chest does not find the courage to say that to his own best friend Donald Trump? उनके लिए जब आप कैंपेन कर सकते हो तो दोस्ती यारी में इतना तो कह ही सकते हैं, पर आज प्रधानमंत्री नहीं कह पा रहे. And on the part about what Omar Abdullah, the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, is saying for the Prime Minister, now Navika, let's understand that these are political courtesies. When you're having a government function with the Prime Minister on the stage,
not getting into a slugfest with Trump is not a diplomatic courtesy, but here there is a political
courtesy. It's not about a slugfest.
Political.
Navika, it's not about a slugfest.
No.
It is about India's interest. Navika, it is about India's interest. What do you know about courtesy, my friend? No. It is about India's interest. I'm not asking Prime Minister Modi to go.
A party that is called the Prime Minister Chaukidar Chore Narendra Surrender is talking about courtesies.
Navika, just to complete,
please respond because I'm going to suffer from a meltdown at the mention of the word courtesies.
Navika, what I'm saying is that when there's a government function, you expect the Chief Minister to say niceties about the Prime Minister. That is protocol. And I'm not asking the Prime Minister to go lock, stock and barrel against Donald Trump. I'm asking a simple condemnation. No, sir, this is not what you did.
All right.
Well said.
Shehzad Punawala.
Navika ji, US and Republicans are wondering about MAGA and Congress is wondering about Raga. कि रागा को बोले तो बोले क्या. अब ऑपरेशन थंडर पाकिस्तान में ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से हुआ थंडर, राहुल को लगे सरेंडर बिकॉज ही इज अ ब्लंडर एंड इज पाकिस्तान बॉय वंडर, इज मुनीर्स बॉय वंडर. अब मैं बताऊं क्या, शशि थरूर भी ऐसे ही मुस्कुराता है जैसे सोमनाथ भारती जी की ना इधर आई हैव नॉट इंटरप्टेड यू, प्लीज कीप
तारीफ कर रहा हूं यार,
आई विल नॉट.
तारीफ भी डाइजेस्ट नहीं होती.
शशि थरूर देखिए, डोंट बिलीव डीजीएमओ, don't believe MEA, don't believe Narendra Modi, don't believe our ministers, at least believe SMS. RRR को SMS आया. You know what is SMS? Shashi, Manish and Salman. All of them have said that look, there was no intervention. They said Trump has not mediated. They said Pakistan's DGMO has begged us and called us. We have not given the advance information. But RRR is only believing in PPP, Pakistan, Parast, Paltan. So now what can you do to somebody who said that? And this is old habit of Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is the same person. He believed DGMO when surgical strike was said. He said it's Kun ki dalali. Did he believe when Balakot airstrike was announced by the armed forces? He said no, there is no proof. So this is an old habit. Now let me just make 2 points. They are believing Trump. I want specific answer to this now. Trump has said that the reason I'm banning Muslim nations, he had banned Muslim nations to come to America, the people from there, because Islam hates Christians. Does they believe that statement? In the same tweet of Trump, he has said that it's a 1,000-year war between India and Pakistan. Do they believe that statement of Trump? No, selectively they will believe whatever Trump is saying. Now, please, sir, I have not interrupted you. Vivek, I have not interrupted you. Please, sir.
Sir, आपने party forum पे ये सवाल पूछा?
Please, can you please allow me to complete, Vivek? I request you. I request you. Vivek, let me complete.
5 सेकंड का intervention है.
Please, there has to be a premium on discipline also.
वो ठीक है. मेरा 5 सेकंड का intervention.
Make your point and make it brief.
How do I make my point when the left party is hell-bent on believing Trump?
No.
I mean, this is a new narrative. I am also now trying to decipher.
You have to deal with the opposition in your country.
I am dealing with opposition, but let me at least deal with the situation right now. Look, I'll tell you what is surrender, which is there in Parivar Ka Har calendar. In 1948.
अरे तुम बॉलीवुड में जाके स्क्रिप्ट राइटर बन जाओ यार.
बन जाऊंगा.
तुकबंदी कर रहे हो इतनी देर से.
अरे सुनिए ना आप, सुनिए तो.
Start writing scripts. You'll be super hit.
Okay.
I will cast you in the role of villain. Who's from Pakistan?
Oh, I don't
know. Listen to me.
30 seconds.
Modi ji
30
hero.
seconds.
Modi ji hero. Modi ji Amitabh Bachchan.
Shehzad Punawala, 30 seconds. Complete your point.
Navika ji, first of all, look at their faith. This man, Mr. Trump, cannot have ceasefire with Elon Musk. He will do ceasefire between India and Pakistan. अपने घर में ceasefire नहीं करा पा रहे. अब now I'll tell you what is surrender. Surrender is when you give up POK in 1948. Surrender is when in 1968, after winning the 1965 war, you give up 828 square kilometers. Surrender is when you win the 1971 war and Indira Gandhi hands over 93,000 prisoners of war without taking POK. After Babu Jagjeevan Ram says something else. Surrender is when you in 1974 give up nuclear technology or want to give up nuclear technology to Pakistan. Surrender is once. Surrender is when in 2611 you do nothing, give most favored nation status to Pakistan, and you say that Pakistan now is surrender.
Okay, now let me play out a soundbite of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the same Mr. Rahul Gandhi who today is calling for Narendra surrender, who's asking where have the terrorists of Pahalgam gone. Well, listen to him and what he said in 2011, 3 years after 26/11 and many blasts later, from Ajmer, from Jaipur, from Bengaluru to Coimbatore to Varanasi to Patna to Delhi. After all of these blasts, what did Rahul Gandhi say? Listen in.
It is very difficult to stop every single terrorist attack. the ideas that we have to fight terrorism at the local level, we have improved in leaps and bounds. But terrorism is something that is impossible to stop all the time.
Impossible to stop all the time. Vivek Srivastava. He's sensible. Is this not surrender to terrorism?
This is called practicality. He is saying terrorism एक प्रॉब्लम है, पूरे विश्व में है, सभी लोग उससे पीड़ित हैं, हम भी लड़ेंगे. क्या गलत बोल दिया साहब? What is wrong in what he has said? He is acknowledging a problem. So have we. We stood with Modi. We stood with the Prime Minister जब उन्होंने बोला हम हमला करेंगे. लेकिन आप गए साहब ट्रंप साहब का चरण स्पर्श करके आपने सब खड़े थे, सारी पार्टियां खड़ी थी, सारे नेता खड़े थे, सबने कहा मोदी साहब यू आर द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिस नेशन एंड एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज विद यू. और प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने करा क्या?
ओके, वर यू विद आईडब्ल्यूटी स्टॉपेज?
सुनिए
वर यू विद आईडब्ल्यूटी स्टॉपेज?
नो.
वर यू विद दिस स्टॉपेज ऑफ आईडब्ल्यूटी?
नो वेट.
नो
आई एम कमिंग टू इट. अब आप सुनिए बैल बुद्धि क्या होता है?
बैल बुद्धि किसको बोल रहे हैं?
बैल बुद्धि होता है फैट माइंडेडनेस. चाइना का थ्रेट आ गया है. चाइना कह रहा है, सुन लीजिए ना, आईडब्ल्यूटी पे आ रहा हूं, अगर आपने पाकिस्तान का पानी रोका, हम ब्रह्मपुत्रा का रोकेंगे और आपके नॉर्थ ईस्ट को स्टार्व करेंगे.
They have not said this, and secondly they have stored water. It's a rain.
All right. Vivek has made a point.
98% of Brahmaputra catchment is in India.
Exactly. Up. Bell Buddhi.
Anand Ranganathan, what they have in their armory is actually fake news. Praising Rahul Gandhi for saying terror attacks cannot be stopped, and what they have is their dialogue delivery, which is used by Pakistan. And in the middle of all of this, their paragon of virtue, the man they believe the most, is US President Donald Trump. What do you have to say about that?
Good evening, Navika. We have a lot of other things in our arsenal, including...
I will come back to you, sir. I will come back to you.
एक बार तो बोल ले दो, 2 मिनट के लिए बोल ले दो. Just because you look like Abhijit doesn't mean that you're going to hawk my time.
Look, Abhijit looks much better.
Agreed. I think in my mind I look like Shehzad.
Okay, Anand. Yeah. Okay, come on. These courtesies we are not used to on debates, so please carry on with the debate.
पहली बात तो I think it's a bit disingenuous for my good friend Mr. Jain to repeatedly use the reference of Dolan. मैं एक बार आपने कह दिया, बार-बार रिपीट कर रहे हो. मतलब अगर कल को यहाँ पे कोई शुरू कर दे कि राहुल गांधी को विश्वेश्वरैया का मतलब नहीं पता था, कि कुंभाराम को कुंभकर्ण कह दिया अपने ही लीडर को. So once it's okay, but twice or thrice it just gives away your spitefulness. Number 2, मैं ये उनके साथ जो बैठे हुए आपको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे, लाल सलाम कह रहे थे, इनसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, do you congratulate our brave security forces for killing the Maoist yesterday? उनका नाम तो आपको पता होगा या बताना पड़ेगा?
काफी पहले वाले की बात कर रहे हो?
नहीं, कल की बात कर रहे हैं, जिन पे 1 करोड़ का इनाम था उन पे. Do you congratulate our security forces or not?
Security forces का हम हमेशा साथ हैं.
अच्छा.
Extrajudicial killings are not supported either by police or by the armed forces.
Extrajudicial है ये? किसने क्या दिया?
अगर extrajudicial है तो हम
अगर का क्या मतलब?
China stopping Brahmaputra water, which is fake news. But
they have said, they have threatened
in his own country when Maoist terrorists are killed, he says if it is correct. वो पता नहीं.
By rule book होना चाहिए. Everything should be by the rule book.
मतलब पुलिस का रूल बुक, टेररिस्ट को मारना भी रूल बुक पे होना चाहिए.
भाई रूल बुक
कौन सी रूल बुक है टेररिस्ट को मारने का? भाई टेररिस्ट को मारने का क्या रूल बुक है?
आप सर बिल्कुल है सर.
बताओ
पुलिस की रूल बुक में है.
टेररिस्ट को मारने का रूल बुक क्या है?
फायर करेंगे, ओपन में फायर.
Listen.
ग्राउंड में फायर करेंगे.
What was the? Do you criticize America going and hunting down Osama bin Laden?
See, I'll tell you something. Do you?
Sir, what was the rule book there?
There is a difference in the terrorists.
They invaded a country
and a state force.
Now please allow me time. Now हो गया आपका time.
Vivek Srivastava, you know, absurdities. Rule book चाहिए. Terrorists.
Yes.
That is what Vivek Srivastava. Then why are they asking where are the 4 Pahalgam terrorists? Why are they asking that question?
Exactly.
You know, so much hypocrisy, so much
rules have been defined.
1 minute, Vivek Srivastava. Anand Ranganathan,
2-3 पॉइंट मैं देना चाहता हूँ, मुद्दे पे आना चाहता हूँ. पहले तो इनकी फेक न्यूज हटाने में टाइम लग जाता है. नंबर 1, ये जो राहुल गांधी ने अपोलोजाइज किया था सुप्रीम कोर्ट से, जब चौकीदार चोर है कहा था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा मोदी को चौकीदार चोर, ये टू ग्रवल एंड अपोलोजाइज बिफोर द सुप्रीम कोर्ट. अभी इन्होंने जो बाइट आपने नाविका चलाई, ये अगर मोदी जी चाहें तो ही कैन सू राहुल गांधी, बिकॉज राहुल गांधी के वर्ड्स है, प्लीज रिप्ले इट। वो कह रहे हैं कि ट्रंप ने कहा 11 बार कि मोदी ने सरेंडर कर दिया। क्या ट्रंप ने ऐसा कुछ कहा? तो झूठ बोलने की पूरी फैक्ट्री, इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल लाइन जो हो रही है वो राहुल गांधी की हो रही है। नंबर 2, मोदी जी ने आज तक मना नहीं किया, मोदी की सरकार ने आज तक मना नहीं किया। क्या आपने डॉक्टर जयशंकर का इंटरव्यू नहीं देखा?
No, I specifically said that the government is denying, but the prime minister doesn't find the country.
नहीं तो एक सेकंड, तो क्या एक मिनट, प्राइम मिनिस्टर कहीं ताइवान के हैं और गवर्नमेंट इंडिया की, क्या मतलब है आपका?
There is a difference between the prime minister, the individual जिनकी रगों में सिंदूर दौड़ता है, जिनकी छाती and a brave heart
is not a proxy prime minister
and bureaucrats.
If the government is denying something, that means that Narendra Modi also is on the same page.
Is there, no?
ये क्या?
Can you not the common sense
Let me make a point. ये जो ट्रंप और उसकी बात चल रही है, आपसे सवाल सीधा है कि अभी तो आ गए, वापस आ गए, अभी आए नहीं है शायद, जो आने वाले हैं, या बताइए ये शादी के घोड़े हैं डॉक्टर थरूर, या लंगड़े घोड़े हैं या तीसरा घोड़ा कौन सा था नाविका? लंबी रेस का घोड़ा। ये तीनों में तो ये ट्रंप और इलॉन मस्क की बात दूर रखिए, पहले अपने आप डिसाइड करिए राहुल गांधी को, शशि थरूर, सलमान खुर्शीद और मनीष तिवारी, ये इनमें से तीनों में से कौन कौन लंबी रेस का घोड़ा है, कौन कौन शादी का? आई थिंक डॉक्टर शशि थरूर हो सकता है, शायद बारात के घोड़े शशि थरूर होंगे, लेकिन लंगड़ा घोड़ा कौन है ये बताइए।
घोड़े ही तो बोला है,
औरों पे पत्थर मारने की बात। तो एक मिनट, आप तो यार शांति रहो, आपको तो रूल बुक चाहिए टेररिस्ट को मारने की।
हर चीज के लिए रूल बुक चाहिए सर, है
डॉक्टर
बिल्कुल डिफाइंड है। बताओ ओसामा बिन लादेन को मारने की रूल बुक कौन सी थी? हाफिज सईद को मारने की रूल बुक कौन सी है?
क्या पुलिस?
आंसर मी।
अच्छा मेरी बात सुन,
आंसर मी।
अगर
हाफिज सईद को मारने के लिए रूल बुक कौन सी है?
रूल बुक देश में चाहिए,
गुरु को रूल बुक से लटका है, बिल्कुल है। दिस इज अनएक्सेप्टेबल। नाविका प्लीज कमेंट
any killing by any authorized security force of the nation, be it the police or the paramilitary, they have to follow rules.
BSF are not authorized forces. I don't know. I really don't know where this argument is coming from.
You has authority.
1 minute.
Somnath,
you are a lawyer. You've been a law minister and other portfolios.
1 crore bounty on his head.
I want to ask you, for terrorists and taking stock of the terror that is being spread by them, we need a rule book, and that is also required by our agencies like the CRPF, BSF, police, etc.
It is already there.
Is this even making sense to you?
No. ट्रेनिंग होती ही नहीं है क्या इस मुल्क में?
Let me respond to
सर
this.
इनको बता दीजिए ट्रेनिंग होती है कि नहीं होती है?
Let me respond to this, sir.
कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती।
See, the question is, टेररिस्ट के लिए अगर रूल बुक होगा तो हम फिर कैसे डील करेंगे टेररिस्ट के साथ?
उधर बोलिए ना,
मसूद अजहर
सुन लो
हाफिज सईद को अगर मारना है,
आपके एलआई के लिए ताली हम बजा रहे हैं, बजाओ।
क्वेश्चन इज
होती है, मत
I'll respond to that also. See, I mean, I would have loved that every rule book should have been set aside, and Mr. Modi would have gone to Pakistan and killed Hafiz Saeed and this fellow.
I welcome that also.
Masood Azhar.
Nobody is saying that.
Getting me? Masood Azhar, Hafiz Saeed, all terrorists,
फॉलो करनी है।
living in Pakistan,
पुलिस की ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती, फौज की ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती, सीआरपीएफ की ट्रेनिंग नहीं, सीआईएसएफ की ट्रेनिंग नहीं, ट्रेनिंग ही नहीं है।
ceasefire should not have taken place.
Let him speak.
Rather, our security force, our army, our Sena would have gone deep down, penetrated Pakistan and killed all terrorists.
That's a war.
Once and for good.
That's a war.
All right. Second.
Yes, I agree.
Second. See, we are not living in a banana republic.
Yes.
We would have loved to kill that fellow, the one who had done this 26/11, that terrorist who was Kasab.
Yes.
We followed a due process in this country.
Yeah.
I mean, every countryman was wanting to kill. We had seen that. But it was, a due process was followed.
Absolutely.
So question is, India is not India is not Pakistan.
He showed the world how
India
Pakistan
is a
human rights and human rights.
India is a mature complex.
Can I respond?
No,
India is mature, but we are Indian.
One second.
One minute. You know, Vivek, you can't have a flag in your hand. If you have a flag in your hand, then it should be the Tiranga, like the Prime Minister. Like the Prime Minister today. Unfold the flag and
you are against human rights. That's the problem.
walked across the Chenab Bridge. You know, that is what you should be doing.
I support human rights and human rights.
Amazing. We all should have good words for the Prime Minister and what has this.
तिरंगे से आपको प्रॉब्लम है? तिरंगे से प्रॉब्लम है आपको?
This gift.
तिरंगे से प्रॉब्लम है?
I'm saying
Chenab Bridge से प्रॉब्लम है?
What has happened to the Chenab Bridge is an amazing thing for the nation to have happened. So I mean, we should not stop saying.
Yes, sir, three successive governments had to
should
credit
not
for
stop
this.
saying. See, we all stood with Mr. Modi. The moment he
2003
decided
started Atal Bihari Vajpayee, then Manmohan Singh government, a lot of the work was done, and finally
allow me to complete this, please. We all stood with Mr. Modi when he decided that we will be attacking Pakistan to retaliate.
Absolutely, I agree. We all support
Shehzad Poonawala, please. Shehzad Poonawala, please.
Yes, we support. I want
good things.
Because the question is of the government, I'll allow Shehzad to respond and then I'll come to you, Abhijit.
Okay. First of all, my dear friend, you said that we have given Kasab fair trial, right, etc. And then he got convicted and it was proved. So, patience rakhiye. 6 months ago you were in alliance with the Congress, not now. 6 months ago you were. Yes, correct. Fact है ना, लोकसभा साथ में लड़ा था.
मैं उसको रिवर्ट करूंगा.
एक साल हो गया. You are celebrating the anniversary on Monday.
But they were still in alliance. They broke up only just 6 months ago. 1 second.
Had Congress been true to the alliance, I would have been in the parliament.
Okay, very good. 1 second.
Congress dispute.
Please. 2611 was proven to be Pakistani terror plot in court of law. They said it was a Hindutva project. They continued.
No, of course not.
Yes, Vijay Vallabh said.
No.
They have published a book. Have they condemned it till now? Now get them to condemn it. Now condemn it.
The party who supported Godse criticized and who was a member of parliament and who was not removed by Modi.
Where are you taking this debate? Please cut to the present.
Now second point and I'm finishing. Second point and I'm finishing. Just now
human rights के खिलाफ मत जाओ. तुम्हारी सरकार human rights के खिलाफ है.
He also has some human rights in the debate.
Now,
hold on.
Mr. Somnath Bharti, India Alliance, on more than one occasion recently, when Naxalism is down by 85%, has said we must have talks with the Maoists. Is this surrender? India Alliance ka surrender? Yes or no?
It's about. Great point.
Sir, boliye, sir.
You have to rehabilitate people. He did it. He did it in Punjab problem. You signed the NAGA Accord. Wait a minute. You signed the NAGA Accord. Should I tell you the details?
Who live by the gun?
Flag. Nagaland का flag किसका है? Nagaland का flag बताओ. Nagaland का flag बताओ. Nagaland का flag.
You have Professor Anwar Pasha. If there is an alliance, you will allow him to speak. Professor Anwar Pasha, yes. I want to ask you a question. Chaukidar Chor, you heard that statement, and after that what happened in the courts and what happened in the elections of 2019. Has anybody forgotten? When Rahul Gandhi goes on to say Narendra surrender, who is he talking about? Who surrendered? Did the army surrender? Or did India surrender to Pakistan? Or did we win the first phase of Operation Sindoor because that operation is still on? Who is he referring to? And number 3 question that I want to ask. All these people from various parties, whether it is the Samajwadi Party, the Trinamool Congress, all of them have made fun, including the Aam Aadmi Party, have made fun of Sindoor. कोई कह रहा है सिंदूर, sin as in पाप, दूर करने के लिए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर. Somebody is saying one nation, one husband. Somebody else is saying that Sindoor is part of a political plot just to polarize the country. Do you think in a country where Sindoor is considered such a holy symbol, it should be made fun of in this manner, especially when it is related to the massacre of 26 people in Pahalgam, people who lost their lives in front of their wives, which is why the name Operation Sindoor. How do you look at the lack of emotions and the lack of sensitivity that we have begun to see now?
Navika ji, I will come to this point later. First, I would like to ask one question to all the panelists. Why there is so much trust deficit? Why people of the country are not willing to believe our government? Who is responsible for it? Why trust has got so much importance? Why Trump has got so much importance? This is, we are discussing it, na? Trump. Till now we have heard so many times, 100 times that Trump has been, his name has been taken here. My question is that, who is responsible for this? Why this air is not being cleared by our Prime Minister? If Trump is liar, why our Prime Minister doesn't dare to say that Trump is liar? We will believe our Prime Minister. Who is Trump? Why should I believe Trump? We have no trust in Trump. I have trust in my Prime Minister.
Foreign Minister.
Let him come and address the nation. Let him call the special session of the Parliament. Let the country know who is speaking truth and who is lying. Why is not clearing there? Okay. Not only BJP, not only opposition, not only the common man of the country.
Now, can I respond?
BJP, let me complete. I didn't interrupt, please. Sure. Let not only the opposition or the common people of the country are not believing this. They are not believing. Why is it there? Even the BJP cadres, RSS cadres, are not believing it. They believe
Why are you in touch with them? Why are you in touch with them?
RSS cadres and BJP cadres were first to say that the government, our government has betrayed the country. Our defense forces, they brought victory for the country.
But Rahul Gandhi is saying surrender हो गया. Rahul Gandhi saying surrender हो गया.
Difference between
Narendra का surrender, not India का surrender. Narendra का surrender. But if India is one, how is Narendra Modi surrender आके बोले?
Pakistan,
but our government taken away from the army. Can Narendra surrender but the army win? Narendra Modi has surrendered but India has won. How does it work?
I have 5 very quick points to make, Navika, addressing all these questions. You know, I am so touched that Somnath ji and my friend Vivek and my friends Nikhil and the professor are, they are completely agreed that we need to go in and go into Pakistan and gather them. I never thought I'd see the Communist Party of India support Israel's campaign in Gaza, because that is what it is about. But you just did.
No, I did
You've
not.
just supported a campaign of that scale, because that is what it is.
No, all I said
which
was
means you don't, sir,
rule book
I didn't interrupt you.
One at a time.
So I'm so glad that they've supported it. I also support that. I think we should. I think the Israeli campaign in Gaza is very good. I think we need to duplicate it. They have. So I thank the CPIM for it. Second is, for a foreign returned, allegedly, leader of the opposition, he doesn't seem to know,
Who's?
Foreign returned leader of opposition.
Foreign returned.
Foreign made. Humanitarian pause, ceasefire, surrender have a lot of different, each one has a very specific connotation. I don't know what kind of an Ivy League education you get if you don't know the difference between a ceasefire and surrender. That said, if you indulge me, I'm going to read out some very touching paragraphs from a letter. I request immediately support be given to strengthen our air arms sufficiently to stem the Chinese advance. I am advised that for providing adequate air defense, a minimum of 12 squadrons of supersonic all-weather fighters are essential. We have no modern radar cover in our country. For this also we seek your assistance. Our needs are most immediate. The US Air Force personnel will have to man these fighters and radar installations while our personnel are being trained. US fighters and transport planes manned by US personnel.
Mention the year when the comment was made. Mention the year also.
November.
You are comparing.
एक मिनट.
You are comparing 1940 and 1960 to 2025. सुन, मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, आप 1947, 1960, 1971 वो करोगे तो
let him complete. अरे why are you playing defense?
Why are you going on interrupting me, यार? I'm just reading out a letter. Why is it angering them so much?
पाकिस्तान से ट्रेड करने जा रहे थे, मोदी जी ने कपड़े भी खरीद लिए थे। ये देखो, सर एक मिनट सर, सर रेड लाइन, ये देखिए ना सर, ये देखिए, व्यूअर्स प्लीज सी, इनको लग रहा था पाकिस्तान इनका हो गया, अब कराची में दुकान खोलेंगे, ऐसे 10 सूट खरीद करके
This is from Mazaria.
Is that dress Pakistani?
Navika, let me finish. Let me finish.
Disgusting comment.
Quickly, let me finish.
बीजेपी की रही है।
मैं कपड़े से नहीं पहचानता, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, 1 minute 10 सूट बनवाए थे,
Let's not make this into a laughing matter.
What you are hearing in this letter comes precariously close to surrender. I think he's projecting his own family history onto other people.
Not at all.
Prime Minister's speech on the 10th of May was very clear. Nuclear blackmail nahi chalega. We will start this up again. This is a pause. Fourth point. They are all quoting Trump. They now believe Trump is the absolute paragon of virtue. This is a man who has been convicted by a New York court of 34 counts of felony.
Did you criticize the Prime Minister for becoming his friend and campaigning for him in elections? At that time you did not. उस वक्त तो सारे के सारे
I never thought CPIM is defending
सरकार.
CPIM is defending Donald Trump.
No, we do not. We are exposing Narendra Modi.
I'm giving time. I'm giving 45 seconds to Nikhil Jain.
Sorry, quickly.
No, I'll come back to you. Nikhil Jain, please.
A couple of points have been made, Navika. So one is कि Rahul Gandhi पे case हो जाना चाहिए and Modi should sue him for saying this and this. It's very funny that when an opposition leader uses a literary tool, you forget.
Did he apologize Supreme Court or not?
That was for a different thing. That was for a different thing.
Simple question.
That was for a different thing. BJP leaders have done the same thing. It's just that the BJP has not been dragged to court for saying that. After that particular incident, Shazia Ilmi said a statement on a news debate with me that was exactly the same offence as what Rahul Gandhi had done, but she was not dragged to court. Let's not get into that. What I'm talking about right now is that Rahul Gandhi, what he's saying today, is a literary tool. You very well know that, Dr. Ranganathan. You are an author, right? When Narendra Modi says, "Meri ragon mein sindoor ghum raha hai," iska matlab actually sindoor nahi ghum raha. It's a figure of speech. And if you're not able to understand that, I can't do much about it. On the topic of, Shehzad had also pointed out how...
May I tell you, you are an advocate, but may I tell you the legal difference? सिंदूर दौड़ रहा है में किसी का defamation नहीं हो रहा. चौकीदार चोर में नरेंद्र सरेंडर में defamation हो रहा है. So please, to the advocate, if a non-legal person has to explain, then law comes back to and I want to ask you one very
50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड है. 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड. Is that defamation or not?
Of course, take him to court. I don't carry a brief. But Nikhil Jain, I'm asking you. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra carried a bag for Palestine.
Supporting Palestine, as the Indian government also supports the Palestinians.
Yes, she carried a bag.
Yes. Right.
Has she ever carried a bag for the Pahalgam victims?
She didn't need to.
She didn't need
because the government was doing enough. The opposition was
doing enough. Well, I rest my government was doing enough. Now Shehzad Punawalla.
Abhijit, 30 seconds. Abhijit, please, Navika, 30 seconds.
No, Nikhil Jain, 1 minute. I will decide and I will come to you. Hold on. Yes.
Most favored nation and
1 minute.
Navika, since you have called me and we are all listening to you, I am going to respond 3 specific points, including Pasha Ji's point, which needs to address.
Not more than 45 seconds.
Rahul Gandhi's literary flurry.
जो हमारे जवानों को अरुणाचल प्रदेश में पीट रहे हैं, जो
दिस स्टेटमेंट वाज
जवानों की जान गई, मोदी जी ने कह दिया, ना कोई आया है ना कोई घुसा है।
Nikhil Jain, I will edit all of this, because if you don't allow the others to speak and become rowdy, then you're disturbing my viewers and my panelists. I have given you time for counter. If you make a self goal, it's not my fault.
And Nikhil, please, let's have a dignified debate. There are people who've been ministers in this government.
Shehzad, make your point.
They've been ministers. They're also here in this debate. They also have to speak.
1 minute.
They've been ministers. Let us respect their time also. Please.
Make your point.
Let me address 3-4 points very quickly. So Rahul Gandhi actually has faced Allahabad High Court's stringent remarks for this kind of commentary. He keeps making them. Now coming to Professor Pasha's point. Professor Pasha, पहले तो as far as ceasefire is concerned, तेजस्वी और तेजू में करवा दो पहले, ठीक है. दूसरा आपने बोला
that is a loose statement. Sorry, that's a loose statement.
You are doing very serious discussion. Professor ji, please let me respond. You can respond in your time. Please.
Okay, I'll give you time to counter. I will.
Please, sir. I will not yield. Sorry, I will not yield. Sorry, I will not yield. Sorry, I will.
Let us continue to maintain courtesy.
Navika, you tweeted about throwing out Tesmata from the family. Was it tweeted by the official Lalu Prasad handle? So it's in a public domain. Anyway, now let me speak. Let me complete. Professor Pasha said कि अगर PM बोल दे तो मैं भरोसा कर दूं. I accept my PM statement. PM had said surgical strike हुआ. You know what Sudhakar Singh said, their MP? ये surgical strike का proof कहाँ है? सुन last. अब Mr. Bharti. I am quoting from राघव चड्डा. आपके यहाँ पे भी 2 फैक्शन हो चुका है, राघव चड्डा और आतिशी मारले. सुनिए ना, आप कौन से बता दो. सुनिए सर, सर, I've given you so much respect. I've given you so much respect. Aam Aadmi Party Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadda lauded the Indian government and armed forces for Operation Sindoor and said the country under Narendra Modi has demonstrated a paradigm shift in the way India deals with terrorists. And Atishi said that Pakistan ने हाथ नहीं जोड़े. आप कौन से फैक्शन से सर?
So let me respond to this. Should I respond to this?
Please.
See, question is that when whosoever went outside the country, we are all there to ensure that our country is not belittled in any manner. Whether the MP was of Congress, whether the MP was of Aam Aadmi Party, whether the MP was of Samajwadi, they all spoke the language.
They were not terrorists, no?
They all spoke the language.
They were not terrorists, no?
Who was the terrorist?
Jairam said they are terrorists.
Jairam did not say that.
See, I'm not. You were asking about Raghav Chadda. So let me respond to that. Okay? So anybody, Anandji, anybody who does not appreciate the nation abroad,
yes,
he is anti-Indian.
Rahul Gandhi.
Okay.
Rahul Gandhi.
And so is Modi ji. And so is Modi ji. And so is Modi ji.
Let me once again, while there may be no takers for Rahul Gandhi in India, Pakistan hails, 1 minute, Pakistan hails and quotes him liberally. In fact, Union Minister Kiran Rijiju shared a soundbite of Pakistan's Defence Minister Khwaja Asif, who parroted Rahul Gandhi that India had surrendered. Listen in to what the Pakistani minister said, and then Vivek Srivastava, please respond to that. Yes.
Narendra, surrender. Narendra, surrender.
Vivek Srivastava, is Rahul Gandhi not helping Pakistan?
No, absolutely not. इंटरनेट का जमाना है, जो मर्जी बोलो, हमारी डिबेट हो रही है, ये भी पाकिस्तानी देख रहे होंगे. और कल अगर मैं शहजाद को क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा हूं तो लोग बोलेंगे साहब आप तो पाकिस्तान का समर्थन. ये
शहजाद को क्रिटिसाइज करने में और नरेंद्र मोदी सरेंडर में फर्क नहीं है. आनंद रंगनाथन,
कोई फर्क नहीं है.
1 minute. आनंद रंगनाथन, प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. होल्ड ऑन.
नेहरू इज एंटी नेशनल, दैट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग.
राजीव गांधी को गाली दो, राजीव गांधी को गाली दो, है ना?
Former Prime Minister Nikhil Jain, you are trying to make a comeback, but on a fake. What is this? Now, Anand Ranganathan, please respond.
It's not Nikhil's fault. Everyone in Congress is trying to make a comeback. Some people have made 90 comebacks, not a question. पहले तो आप निखिल जैन की जो रेज्ड वॉइस में है वो एडिट कर दीजिए, लेकिन वो एडिट मत करिएगा when he admits that Modi has done more than enough on Pahalgam, so Priyanka did not have carried this.
The government was taking action was my point.
Please.
So you are accepting, no?
Absolutely.
Okay, 1 minute now.
एक चीज सबसे इस पे सबसे ज्यादा काम, आयरॉनिकली नहीं कह रहा मैं, विदाउट सार्केज्म कह रहा हूँ, वो प्रोफेसर पाशा हैं। उनको चांस मिला, एक मिनट मात्र का चांस मिला, इतने धीरज से उन्होंने बात कही। भाई अब मैं आपका तो समर्थन कर रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो बात की तुम्हारा तुम
जस्ट आई एम सेइंग दैट गिव मी 5 सेकंड्स।
हाँ वो देंगे आपको, मेरे मत लीजिए। अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो इतने सभ्य और इतने पोलाइट और इतने अच्छी तरह से जो बात कही वो झूठ गई। अब मैं बताता हूँ क्यों। पूरी ऑपोजिशन चढ़ गई डॉक्टर जयशंकर के एक वाक्य पे कि एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ ऑपरेशन सिंदूर वी इन्फॉर्म पाकिस्तान। तब उन्होंने बिलीव कर लिया डॉक्टर जयशंकर को, बिलीव किया ना। सब कहेंगे हाँ, बिकॉज 3-4 दिन तक एक गद्दार ये वो पता नहीं
मुखबिर
जो भी, ये बिलीव क्यों नहीं कर रहे जब एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया his statements have not been negated by anybody in the government, including the Prime Minister top down, that he says that Trump did not mediate. So you're not going to believe Dr. Jaishankar's statement when he says categorically that the ceasefire or whatever it was, the ebb or pause was done between exclusively India and Pakistan. There was no third party. That you won't believe. Why won't you believe?
We will not.
Why won't you believe?
We will not believe.
I want to answer.
No.
Why won't you believe?
Indian Prime Minister or Foreign Minister?
Why were the tweets coming? Simple to
no, I don't
say.
understand.
Pakistan was going running to US, to China, to Turkey.
And then you say that
are you speaking for Pakistan? Are you speaking for Pakistan?
They are celebrating.
Abhijit,
They are celebrating.
1 minute.
Do you remember, even in Kargil, we had to keep asking the French and Israelis for emergency supplies and things like that. This time we didn't ask anyone for anything, right? Now, other countries have leverage on you. When they have something that you crucially need immediately, that is when you can actually stop something. That was not the case out
It
here.
was.
How do you know? What was the crucial? What was the crucial shortage? What was the crucial shortage?
As per the Congress, it was Chutput war. That's why.
Yes, the Congress was calling it a Chutput war.
इधर लाओ उनको, हमारी साइड आइए।
They are not there to honor the soldiers.
पाशा साहब
Chutput war वाले नहीं बोलेंगे।
Limited military operation is the official stand of the government of India, that this was a limited military
And therefore
operation.
there was no leverage out here to be used against India. What happened was very simple.
You
which
never
JD
said
Vance has
kitne
said-
plane gire.
Again, not
Never
interrupted you,
said,
yaar.
sir. Kitne plane
So
gire,
what
sir?
happened is, these guys call up the Americans. We know that now because of Steve Witkoff and all his connections, all the crypto connections and things like that with Pakistan. And they say how to stop it. Now our war aims are exactly like the Bangladesh war. In the Bangladesh war, we wanted to liberate Bangladesh. Here we wanted to hit terror camps. Full stop. You achieved it, they hit you back, we hit them back. Every time you hit us back, we'll hit you back. You want to stop? We'll stop. After 71, after we captured Dhaka, after they surrendered, we stopped.
And mysteriously,
So-
before the ceasefire, money reaches from IMF to Pakistan. Mysteriously, approval after the ceasefire.
That was something that was declared ages ago.
I want you to look at this logic.
Sometimes I
plane
think
kitne गिरे?
original memes
फिर ये
are
कितना
better
हुआ? IMF
than the
कैसे
memes that
हुआ?
are made in the studio. Let's get you some of the desi humor which is trolling Trump. Elon Musk exposing Donald Trump. Putin and Modi right now. That is the meme that's doing the round. Modi should announce a ceasefire between Musk and Trump. Karma calling. That is what some people are saying. Modi has asked Elon Musk and Donald Trump to stop fighting or else Starlink will not be allowed in India and 100% tariff on American goods will be put out. Modi ji to Elon and Trump, कुछ ऐसा करो कि दोस्ती बनी रहे भाई. Modi on Trump and Musk fight. What does he say? All of that on your screens. Modi ji mediating between Trump and Elon Musk. आप कह रहे हैं Trump is mediating या Modi is mediating? Professor Anwar Pasha. Professor Anwar Pasha, another issue that was raised. Canada बुलाया नहीं G7 के लिए. Well, may I tell you, the Prime Minister has just been spoken to by the Canadian Prime Minister.
Welcome.
So, welcome.
क्या welcome? Well, पे पहुंच गए होंगे वहां पे कि भैया फोन कर लो, हमें अपने देश
Now one second. On this point,
भैया फोन कर लो, भैया ने फोन कर लिया.
ट्रम्प के पकड़े
भैया ने फोन कर लिया.
नहीं है ये, बस्तर नहीं है.
No, let me give you a very big disclosure on this point, on this very point. By the way,
क्यों नहीं गए G7 में?
one second.
ये तो बता दो.
Vivek, let me answer.
Okay.
It's a fact.
Okay.
You know, G7 started in 1975. The first invite was given to whom? Vajpayee ji in 2003. One second. Between 2010 and 14, we got 0 invites. Canada में 2010.
अरे छोड़ो ना पीछा. मोदी साहब क्यों?
Now wait.
इधर उधर की बात करेंगे. इधर की बात करेंगे.
Wait. 1 second. Wait. 1 second. Wait. Are you saying right now, Vivek, that you believe in...
All I'm saying is stop humiliating the Indian Prime Minister.
Let me complete.
Since 1947 till date. Nobody is... You're acting like a traitor.
When you humiliate Narendra Modi, that doesn't matter to you. The present Prime Minister. And you are trying to teach the others.
Navika, 1 second. Can you please...
Indira Gandhi wanted to give away our nuclear technology to Pakistan. They hate absolute. They hate Nehru. It is an absolute hate. They hate Nehru. They hate Rajiv Gandhi. They hate Indira Gandhi.
1 second.
No, that is a problem. And hate sacrifice.
Why do you hate?
Rajiv Gandhi देश को Indira Gandhi देश को बेचा. आजादी के पहले आजादी के बाद.
He's a man possessed.
I love Nehru. 1 second. Let me complete.
Can I just say this?
We support.
I love Nehru. He dismissed the communist government in Kerala. I love Indira Gandhi for throwing the communists in jail during emergency.
Last comment coming in from Shehzad Punawar.
Now, Vivek, without losing your cool and your sanity, when Canada, 1 second, we can try.
Okay.
When Canada did not invite Prime Minister Manmohan Singh for G7.
No, you please talk of Modi.
1 second.
आपका इस वक्त प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी है. आप बीजेपी को हो. सरकार भाजपा की प्राइम मिनिस्टर. आप अपनी सरकार की बात करो. एक भी सवाल पूछता हूं.
Can you let me complete?
Can you please let me complete? Failed government.
Can you let me complete?
झुके हो ट्रम्प के सामने.
Let me complete.
अमेरिका के सामने झुके हो. और यहाँ चले जाते हो कभी नेहरू को अपनी बात करो. सरकार की बात करो.
Complete.
1975 में ये हुआ था. 1971 में ये हो गया था. 65 में वहां चले गए थे. अरे मोदी की बात करो. आप फेल हुए हो. फेल सरकार है.
Okay, 1 second. Let me make it more pertinent and more. 1 second.
आयुष्मान भारत भी नहीं है भाई. Please कुछ
forget Manmohan Singh. I'll change the topic and please listen 20 seconds. Your 2020.
मोदी की बात करो. 2025 की बात करो.
Vivek Srivastava, you will not dictate.
ये पास्ट में जाना बंद करिए. इनकी सरकार है.
You keep
them opposition में.
आपकी सरकार जहां है ना, आप सिर्फ वहां की बात करेंगे.
ये मेरा मुल्क है मैडम.
प्लीज
इनको आंसर देना.
ये मेरा डिबेट है. ये मेरा डिबेट है. यहाँ मेरी चलेगी.
Now please may I make my point with utmost respect, and I respect all the panelists here. Look, you are saying we should take strong action against Pakistan, correct? 2 points, please answer them specifically. Your 2024 manifesto says that we should give up our nuclear missiles and nuclear armaments.
Yes.
And Pakistan?
Should I answer?
And Pakistan?
Should I answer?
And Pakistan?
Should I answer?
And China?
You have just read
and
one
Pakistan
line of the manifesto.
You are in favor?
It's shocking.
You are in favor of this.
You are in favor of this. Across the world stand for global nuclear disarmament. We don't want wars, we want peace.
You are in alliance. You are in alliance with them.
Okay.
You are in alliance with them.
No, but then you
are in alliance with them.
Today, sir.
Say it's wrong.
Say
it's wrong.
You are celebrating.
You are misquoting. It's wrong.
Of course it is wrong.
Then why are you in alliance?
It is wrong.
Why are you in alliance?
Alliance is on minimum agenda.
Common minimum program.
We do not have alliances on everything. On everything.
At the end of this debate, yes sir, 5 seconds.
अभी प्रोफेसर आनंद जी ने कहा कि हम क्यों बिलीव नहीं करते अपने फॉरेन मिनिस्टर.
करेक्ट.
बिल्कुल हमने बिलीव किया.
ग्रेट.
उन्होंने कहा कि हमने पहले बता दिया था पाकिस्तान को.
अच्छा, वो बिलीव किया. उसका वो नहीं किया कि ट्रंप नहीं आया मीडिएट करने. वो बिलीव नहीं
मैं आ रहा हूँ उस पर. बाद में जो बयान आया है उनका वो डैमेज कंट्रोल है. सिर्फ जो कुछ हो सकता था, मैसेज जो ट्रंप को देना था वो दे चुका दुनिया को, और उसको डैमेज कंट्रोल हम कर रहे थे। सेकंड पॉइंट अब ये देखिए कि अभी जो कुछ है, हमारी आर्मी ने अपने शौर्य का एक तरह से प्रदर्शन किया, गैलेंट्री आर्मी ने हमारी शो की। हम जंग जीत गए, जंग कह लें उसे, कन्फ्लिक्ट कह लें, जो भी छोटा सा कह लें, वो हम जीत गए। लेकिन मुझे अफसोस होता है कि हमारी जो डिप्लोमेसी है उसकी फेलियर की वजह से पाकिस्तान हार के भी आज विक्टोरियस लग रहा है। यूएन
opposition to thank for that, Anwar Pasha, because Narendra surrender and the narrative of how many jets has come down has been created by the opposition parties. The jokes on Operation Sindoor have been stated by the opposition parties. Pakistan has parroted the jokes that have been made by the opposition parties. So who's giving a handle to Pakistan? Who is depending on Trump? Who is not believing their own army people who are briefing the country and their own prime minister? The question is, when you say surrender, it's not just prime minister that you're talking about. India has won this part of the war. If you say surrender, you are actually raising questions about the Indian Army, about the Indian Defense Forces, and you are compromising the honor of a great country that India is. While the visiting delegations and members from all political parties stand by their countries, there are bad losers, sore losers sitting back at home today who know that enough and more has been done, who are embarrassed by Rahul Gandhi's statement of 2011 that all terror attacks cannot be prevented, but today raise questions. Is this Rahul Gandhi's Chaukidar Chor Hai moment, which led to an apology in the Supreme Court and a loss in the national elections? Is this once again heading for a loss of face? Well, I don't know. You, the viewer, are the judge. We leave it at that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the NewsHour Spotlight.